Trading mentorship or something. Don't just treat platforms or don't just start buying a ton of accounts, copy trading, get max payout, blowing max payout. That doesn't work unless you're selling risk. That's why these guys do it. Like you said, 25K payout with week, max payout weekly on Ganelli. It's because they sell a course. It's because they sell a course. Like people that actually make money from trading and don't. If you could be a
up, Maya? Good morning. Morning, morning. People should start joining within the next 3 minutes, usually. Oh my God. All right. Let's get rolling. That wig all the way down, dude. It's incredible. Wow. How many points is this stop loss? Only 115. This is probably just gonna keep ripping higher, dude. I wanted these lows to get swept, but guess not. We'll see. See if people get faked out to the upside from not being patient. I'm gonna stay patient here. If I miss out, I miss out. I want to target all this up here. So, but we'll find out. You know, this London high was swept. Reacting right off that hourly gap too. Could do a 79-point trade. First take profit. That's a stretch. Off just an hourly gap. I don't think so. I can see this getting taken. This is actually high. I can see definitely getting taken. It's a 4-hour gap right here too. No wait. Don't on yes. Do an AQ. So overly extended, dude. I do not want to enter at the top of this range. We're so overly extended. Yes, we could take this out. I believe we're going to, but then we're going to get a reaction lower off of that before we continue higher again. That's just my viewpoint. A lot of people probably took this like this. I mean, I guess you could have put it below this low and targeted this for 1.7. Possibility. But we are coming into a 4-hour bearish gap right here. So we could just react off of this, retrace lower, and then continue higher and take this out later in the day, or like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. or something like that. I'm gonna stay patient. Still too early for me to trade. Even though we're talking to ourselves right now. We've got 0 people in the Discord. We've got 0 people in the YouTube live. It's awesome. But we're gonna keep showing up every day. The attention will come when you start making crazy money, because people are just piranhas with that. They don't want to see the real process. And that's why most people are never successful. But this is here recorded live when we come back and watch it. Just an FYI. I really want to see if people get faked to the upside here. Because we're in a 4-hour gap now. And we never swept any sell side or anything. But I believe we want to come for this 4-hour gap. But are we going to respect it, continue lower one more time? Do something like this. Boom. Bang. Come down, maybe take either this and react or this. Boom. Bang. Like that. Possibility. A lot of people probably saw this move at this hourly gap and they entered off of it and they're going to target higher. Again, it could definitely play out. Don't get me wrong, but I'm going to wait. I'd rather miss out. It's too early. Alright, looks like it wants to continue higher. Yes, it's taking London session high right now. NQ's already taken this London session high. So let's see if we get the reaction off of that now. We take out London session high on ES and then we continue lower. And then we'll retrace back higher to take out this Asian session. Let's see. But if she wants to keep continuing without us, she's probably gonna. But I'm okay with that. looks like we want to come take this out. Where is this 4-hour high? Tuesday the 7th at 10 a.m. Already taking that out. Thank you. What's up, brother? No, you good. Nobody was joining anyway, so I just decided to cut it. If they don't want to take advantage of that opportunity, and I ain't doing shit for them. But it looks like it just wants to continue higher right now. I wanted to see these lows get swept, but we reacted off this hourly gap. I still think we can retrace lower. A lot of people probably took this entry right here to target Asian session high, but I feel like we could retrace lower because we're coming into this 4-hour gap right now. I want to see if we're going to fake people to the upside because, again, we're still overly extended on the 4-hour. I wanted to see something like this, which we almost got off market open, where we came down and maybe swept out this hourly low and continued higher. But we'll see. Looks like we want to come take out Asian session right now, but we'll see if it happens or not. Or see if we reverse and come lower. We ended up forming this 15-minute low now that I'm going to mark out. And I believe we can come down and sweep before we want to really continue higher. That's just my opinion. This is too early for me to take an entry. I usually don't take entries like that. But let's see if it edges people to the Asian session high. Oh my god. Coming into this 5-minute right now. Is this a 15-minute? No. See if we want to respect this 5-minute here on NQ. I just have I don't have a feeling. I just feel like we're going to continue lower one more time first before we actually continue higher. But we'll see if we respect this 5-minute. We are in this 4-hour gap on NQ, which I just feel like, where's my fucking tool? Market rip, right? We came down, we almost swept out this hourly low, and then we're continuing higher. Came to that hourly fair value gap. I think we can continue lower off this 4-hour. We'll see though. I wanted this to get swept here. Yeah. I don't know. Enter a market open could be, I don't like it personally. Some people have a strategy based off of it, but just based on how I trade, I just don't like it. See if we inverse this gap. If we inverse this 1 minute, we're coming up for those Asian session highs. Yeah. United States. Alright, well, we might not even trade today. We'll see. If she wants to keep continuing higher. Yeah, we'll probably come for Asian session highs with that reaction. A lot of people probably made money off of this today. Coming into that hourly gap, we came up, broke structures to the upside. We were bullish in the 5 minute already. We're bullish in the 15 minute already. We're bullish in the hourly already. Guess we just want to push right through this 4 hour gap. Yeah, we're coming for that. No, entry would have been here. Would have been at break even. That would have been best option. We'll see. We'll see. Yes, it's about to take out that Asian session high. What, Ty? I'm working. Yeah, let me call you when you're done. When I'm done. does my computer move slow like that sometimes? Pissing me off. It's just pissing me off. It's like a lag in my mouse, dude. I'm not talking to you, Siri. Oh my god, dude, this is pissing me off. This fucking computer. See if we can keep continuing higher. I want to see us come down in that 15, continue this overall trend. Especially because on the hourly time frame, now we broke structure back to the upside. We inverse this hourly gap. Did we inverse this 4 hour on NQ? I would like to see, we're overly extended on NQ. I would like to see if we can get some sort of retracement to get in on it. But if we don't, markets will move without us. It's all good. I'd like to get a retracement target, this 4 hour high / daily high. This 4 hour high is at Monday the 6th at 2 p.m. Where's that over here on ES? Monday the 6th at 2 p.m. right up here. I feel like we could target that. NASDAQ's leading in that case, but we have a lot more draws here on NASDAQ. We're continue higher. That ES already took all these draws out above here. So we formed that S&T last time. That's how I'd like to target this on ES up to this daily high. 4 hour Asian daily high. Take partials and stuff like that. Break evens, partials. If we can come here, this could be partial, this could be partial, this could be let it run. So It's the retrace I was looking for in the beginning, but we'll see if it still wants to present itself to continue higher. But I'm not talking much today. I don't feel like talking. We only have one person in here anyway. I might cut streaming a little bit, but I'm going to trade by myself, and I'll keep it updated. Really? We're just gonna continue higher off of this right here, dude? Off just a resweep with his 930 low, really? This is incredible. really just want to sweep that 930 low and continue higher. I want to see if we break back to the upside. It's crazy. Don't want this hourly low. We swept this Asian session high, which is a 4-hour high. I mean, yes. We're bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the 1-hour. I don't even know if I want to do that, dude. But we formed that 4-hour low. Right here. Let's see if we can continue lower here. Debate. really didn't want this 4-hour low, huh? Oh, this looks so good here. Thought we'd want that. I don't even think I'm gonna take a trade today. Another boring day. I'm taking 2 trades this month, right? Really wanted these lows to get swept before we continued higher. I can't get upset with that because I followed my system. That's what I wanted, but especially that 4-hour low that we created, that 4-hour candle closure. Right here, this was at 10 a.m. This candle closure was at 10 a.m. I thought we were going to come down and take that, but I guess we want to react off that 9:30 low as of now. But we still have the possibility to continue lower, though. Like we have a 15-minute gap right here we just tapped into. Do we want to respect this and then continue lower to that draw? But every other higher time frame is bullish. I can take out the fib. Yes. It's a possibility. We broke back on the 5. 15 minutes bullish, 5 minutes bullish, hourly's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Why? I don't want to go against that. I want to be on the same side as that. But I could still see us going down and taking out those lows, that 4-hour low. Leave an hourly low down here. But we could just want to sweep this 9:30 low that we created and then continue higher. Could be it. How much time do we have in this 15-minute candle? Do we 11 a.m. yet? No. I wonder what the 11 a.m. candle is going to look like. Oh, back daddy, Is that a 15-minute low now? Nope. Hourly low? Nope. 4-hour low? Nope. Just an hourly low. We're building all this low resistance draws right here. All this shit's probably gonna get taken pretty quickly. All this is looking like it wants to set up to get taken. Bat Betty got a job, bam bam.
Do you think that somebody goes a Nazi tattoo on their chest shouldn't serve the United States Senate?
We'll wait for this 5-minute candle closure. See before a 5-minute SMT here and break to the downside again. Because the cool thing is ES will be the leading index off of this. But we do have this 5-minute gap down below that could protect us. But I really like these lows down here. I really like these lows. I feel like we could take them. If we can get a 5-minute SMT, 5-minute break of structure back to the downside, let's go down to the 1. But I gotta see this 5-minute candle closure. 11 a.m. is in 10 minutes also, so. Oh, come on, dog. Don't be doing this shit. Bam, baby, got job, bam, bam. Oh, we're gonna sit here and wait for that, and you're gonna do this in one candle. I'm gonna be flabbergasted. If this ends up taking out those lows, I'm not gonna trade. But I've been waiting for this shit to happen. Let's see if it does. So we can look at even the 15-minute time frame here, dude. We can take out the Fibster. From this high to this low. Reactivate off our levels too. We also swept the 4-hour high before we made this dump. Let's see. Run, Rudolph, running a minute town. She's gonna make me a minute when we get down. 10 points. 11 points. That's why we wait for confirmation. That's why you wait. Didn't break. Formed a 5-minute SMT, but we didn't break. Formed a high and a higher high. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame over here. 10:35. 10:35, right? 10:35. Formed a high and a lower high. And we formed an SMT off of this. But we didn't break. We just swept this 5-minute low and we're continuing higher now. It's crazy. Dude was setting himself up too. I want to see the 11 a.m. candle closure, but I wanted to see if that opportunity is going to present itself there. It doesn't look like it's gonna. So just might not trade. I might want to just keep continuing higher. Now we'd have to wait all the way to break structure down here. would have been a terrible entry based off of what I wanted. I wanted this to get respected here when it was looking like it, and this would have been our entry off a bearish candle closure off this 1 minute gap, 5 minute S&T, 5 minute break of structure. We could add our stop here. First take profit would have been a 1 to 2.2, and then final take profits 1 to 3ish. But we're so bullish on every single time frame. I need to wait for a 5 minute break or something, and we didn't break. Excuse me. Yeah, we might just want to continue higher. Wow. We just wanted that 930 low. We're going to do this. Interesting. I don't think I'm going to take anything today. We're not doing anything. I want this 11 a.m. I like to see this 11 a.m. candle closure. We could form this hourly high, but it doesn't look like we're gonna on ES. Yeah, I don't think I'm on the trip. Yeah, we didn't form it. We look like we want to continue higher on ES. But we have this hourly high above now. We're still consolidating in this range, doing nothing. I really wanted to see if shorts were going to present themselves there, but we broke back to the upside. We retraced. It looks like we just want to continue higher. Probably to this 4 hour, maybe above. These daily highs above or something like that. But did we inverse this 15 minute? No, we didn't even inverse this 15 minute gap yet. Yeah, I'm just going to cut it. All right, for the 2 people watching, I'm just going to cut it for today. There's no trades for me. Transparent as always. I'll resync it. July 9, 2026, 11 a.m. See it up top here. We'll click today, the 9th. No trades for today. I'm only taking 2 trades this month, bro. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in the past 2 weeks, I've taken 2 trades. But we were coming off a 6 trade losing streak. And it's crazy how in 2 trades we're already almost back up to our 6 trade losing streak ending the month. But we started this month off good. And then, yeah. So we're starting it off good right now. I mean, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing, staying consistent, being disciplined, being patient. We'll trade gold later. I'll probably go live later for gold because I didn't go live last night. I was working on something. Maybe we'll go live for a couple minutes tonight for the people who come back and watch this. But again, 0 people in the Discord today. We had a couple people in the YouTube live, but it's still crazy to me, man. We're transparent every day. We're showing the journey. Again, people just don't want to follow along with it yet, and that's totally fine. But we're just gonna keep doing our thing, being consistent, and just trusting the process. That's all we can really do, and stick to being consistently profitable, you know, and doing the right things. And it shows. It shows this year, and we'll show that. I don't give a shit. We'll show the truth. Most people hide the truth. So, doses.